Ancient Egypt is a civilization that has fascinated people for centuries. From its towering pyramids and intricate hieroglyphics to its mysterious rituals and elaborate belief systems, there is no shortage of intrigue surrounding this ancient society. And while much is known about this remarkable civilization, there are still many secrets waiting to be uncovered. In this video, we will delve into the top 10 secrets of ancient Egypt, shedding light on some of the most intriguing and lesser-known aspects of this puzzling culture. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of ancient Egypt. Number 10. How were the pyramids built? The construction of the pyramids in ancient Egypt remains one of the greatest mysteries in human history. These colossal structures, with their precise engineering and sheer size, continue to astound experts and puzzle researchers. While there are numerous theories about how the pyramids were built, the exact methods and techniques used by the ancient Egyptians still elude us. One popular theory suggests that the pyramids were built using a combination of ramps, pulleys, and sledges to transport the massive stones. This theory posits that the Egyptians would have created inclined planes made of mud or brick to facilitate the movement of the stones upward. They would have then used sledges and ropes to pull the stones into place. Another theory proposes that the pyramids were built using a combination of internal ramps and external ramps. According to this theory, the builders would have constructed internal ramps within the pyramid structure to move the stones to higher levels, while external ramps would have been used to transport the stones to the base of the pyramid. Number 9. The Purpose of the Sphinx. One of the most iconic and enigmatic symbols of ancient Egypt is the Sphinx. This colossal statue, with the body of a lion and the head of a human, has puzzled archaeologists and historians for centuries. While its true purpose remains a subject of debate, there are several theories about why the Sphinx was built. One theory suggests that the Sphinx was built as a guardian and protector of the Giza Plateau, where it is located. In ancient Egyptian belief, sphinxes were often placed at entrances or gateways to ward off evil spirits and protect sacred sites. The Sphinx's location near the pyramids, considered to be royal burial grounds, supports this theory. Another theory proposes that the Sphinx served a religious or symbolic purpose. Some believe that it represented the pharaoh as the living incarnation of the sun god, Ra. Number 8. The Lost City of Heracleion. Hidden beneath the waters of the Mediterranean Sea lies a lost city shrouded in mystery, Heracleion. Discovered in 2000 after being submerged for over 1,000 years, this ancient Egyptian city has captivated archaeologists and historians alike. As the once thriving port of entry for goods and trade, Heracleion was a significant center of culture and commerce. What makes this lost city even more intriguing is its disappearance from historical records. For centuries, it was believed to be a mere legend, but its discovery has turned mythology into reality. Excavations have revealed stunning artifacts, including temples, statues, and even a massive stele inscribed with ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. The secrets of Heracleion are slowly being unveiled as researchers dive into the submerged ruins. It is believed that natural disasters and rising sea levels caused the city to sink, leading to its abandonment and subsequent disappearance from memory. Number 7. The mysterious disappearance of Queen Nefertiti. One of the most enduring mysteries surrounding ancient Egypt is the disappearance of Queen Nefertiti, the great royal wife of Pharaoh Akhenaten. Nefertiti was a powerful and influential figure in Egyptian history, known for her beauty and her role in the religious revolution led by her husband. However, after a certain point, Nefertiti vanishes from historical records, leaving historians and archaeologists to speculate about her fate. Some theories suggest that Nefertiti may have died during the reign of Akhenaten, and her death was simply not recorded. Others propose that she may have been banished or imprisoned, potentially due to political or religious conflicts. Another intriguing possibility is that Nefertiti assumed a new identity and continued to play a significant role behind the scenes, even after Akhenaten's death. The truth behind Nefertiti's disappearance remains a tantalizing mystery, fueling speculation and capturing the imagination of historians and Egyptologists. Number 6. The Dendera light bulb. This mysterious object, found in the Temple of Hathor at Dendera, has sparked endless debate and speculation among researchers. The Dendera light bulb consists of a depiction of a lotus flower with a filament-like structure inside, resembling a light bulb. Some have argued that this depiction is evidence of advanced electrical knowledge possessed by the ancient Egyptians, while others suggest it may have been a symbolic representation of the sun god, Ra. While there is no concrete evidence to support the theory of ancient Egyptians having electricity, the Dendera light bulb remains a fascinating enigma. Its intricate design and peculiar resemblance to a light bulb continue to captivate the imagination of historians and Egyptologists alike. Perhaps the truth behind this artifact lies in a deeper understanding of ancient Egyptian symbolism and spirituality. Until then, the Dendera light bulb remains an intriguing mystery, inviting us to ponder the remarkable capabilities of this ancient civilization. Number 5. The Saqqara Bird. The Saqqara Bird is a fascinating artifact that has puzzled archaeologists and historians for years. Discovered in 1898 in a tomb in Saqqara, Egypt, this wooden object has captured the imagination of researchers and sparked countless theories about its purpose. The Saqqara Bird is shaped like a bird with wings, a tail, and even feathers carved into the wood. Some believe that it was simply a toy or a decorative item, while others propose that it may have had a more functional purpose. One theory suggests that the Saqqara Bird was actually an ancient model of an aircraft, possibly an early attempt at flight. This theory is supported by the aerodynamic shape of the bird and the presence of a small horizontal stabilizer at the tail. However, there is no concrete evidence to support this theory, and it remains purely speculative. Another theory proposes that the Saqqara Bird may have been a religious or symbolic object. In ancient Egyptian belief, birds were often associated with the gods and played significant roles in their mythology. Some suggest that the bird may have been a representation of Horus, the falcon-headed god of the sky and protector of pharaohs. Number 4. The Etruscan Mummy and the Liber Linteus. Among the many intriguing secrets of ancient Egypt, one that stands out is the discovery of the Etruscan Mummy and the Liber Linteus. This mummy, found in the late 19th century, has a unique story to tell. Wrapped in linen and buried in an Egyptian tomb, it was later transported to Italy, where it became part of the Etruscan collection at the National Archaeological Museum in Florence. But what sets this mummy apart is the Liber Linteus, an ancient linen book found within its wrappings. Written in Etruscan, a language that is still largely undeciphered, the Liber Linteus remains a tantalizing puzzle for linguists and historians. Although only fragments of the book survived, it offers a rare glimpse into the religious and ritualistic practices of the Etruscan civilization. Its precise meaning and significance, however, continue to elude researchers. The story of the Etruscan mummy and the Liber Linteus serves as a reminder that there is still much to learn and uncover about ancient civilizations. Number 3. The Lost Library of Alexandria. The Lost Library of Alexandria is a subject that ignites the imagination of history enthusiasts and book lovers alike. Established in the 3rd century BCE, this ancient library was considered one of the largest and most comprehensive repositories of knowledge in the ancient world. It housed thousands of scrolls and books, covering a wide range of subjects from philosophy and science to literature and medicine. The library was a center of intellectual activity, attracting scholars and researchers from all corners of the ancient world. It was a beacon of knowledge and a symbol of the intellectual achievements of the time. However, the fate of this magnificent institution remains a mystery. Historians believe that the Library of Alexandria was destroyed, either by a fire or through a series of attacks. The exact circumstances surrounding its demise are still unclear. What is certain, though, is that the loss of the Library of Alexandria was a tragedy for humanity, as countless works of literature and knowledge were lost forever. Number 2. The Mystery of the Black Sarcophagus. In the vast realm of ancient Egyptian secrets, few things are as intriguing as the mystery of the Black Sarcophagus. Discovered in Alexandria in 2018, this massive granite coffin captured the attention of the world and fueled endless speculation about its origins and what might lie within. Sealed shut for over 2,000 years, the Black Sarcophagus presented a tantalizing enigma waiting to be unlocked. Upon its opening, archaeologists found not only the remains of 3 individuals, but also a foul-smelling red liquid that sparked both fascination and horror. Speculation ran wild, with some suggesting that the liquid was an elixir of immortality. The truth, however, was far less fantastical. The red liquid was simply sewage water that had seeped into the sarcophagus over the centuries, creating a putrid mixture. As for the individuals within, DNA analysis revealed that they were likely soldiers who lived during the Ptolemaic period. The presence of military belts and the way the bodies were positioned further supported this theory. Number 1. How King Tut died. King Tutankhamun, also known as King Tut, is one of the most famous pharaohs of ancient Egypt. Despite his fame, the circumstances of his death remain a subject of much speculation and debate. Numerous theories have been put forth, ranging from illness to foul play. One theory suggests that King Tut died of complications from a broken leg. X-ray examinations revealed that his mummy had a shattered leg bone, which could have led to a life-threatening infection. Others believe that he may have succumbed to genetic disorders or malaria, as evidence of both conditions was found during the analysis of his mummy. However, the most intriguing theory proposes that King Tut was murdered. The true cause of King Tut's death may never be definitively known. A combination of factors likely contributed to his untimely demise. Nevertheless, the mystery surrounding King Tut's death adds to the allure of ancient Egypt and leaves us with more questions than answers. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.